Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make glitter text in Canva. You could make any types of glitter text using Canva very easily. First, log into your Canva account and then click on the Canva logo to land in the Canva dashboard. So now I'm in the Canva dashboard. Now take any of the Canva canvas. Let's say I want to take a YouTube thumbnail canvas for my case. So this is my canvas, and let's say I want to add any text and want to make them glitter. So first click the element section and now search glitter background and now click photos. You will find a lot of glitter background available. As per your demand, what types of glitter effect you want to apply on your text, you need to select that background. Let's say I want to take this background. I want to make my text with this type of glitter effects. So now adjust it with your canvas. And now click here, the app section, and search font frame. Click here and click font frame, this icon, and just you need to type your text what you want to make glitter. So let's say I want to make a text that is YouTube thumbnail. So you see this is a glitter text, but I don't want my text like this. I want my text like this. So now click here and now click select image, and you see the glitter text has been selected as per my background. Now you can drag here to select which position you want to take glitter effect from your background. So you see you can select your own position. Let's say I'm happy with this position, and now you can change the text or font from here. Click here, and let's say I want to change the font and want to apply this font, or I want to apply this font. So now you can change alignment first. This is for alignment. So you can change the alignment of the text, or you can, so I want to make the alignment middle, and you can change the position of the line spacing and letter spacing. Let's say I want to space more, create more spacing on my letter, and I want to decrease the line spacing or increase the line spacing. You can do it from here. And now there are other options available. You could zoom in your image. So here is the option zoom in your image. Actually it is zooming in this image, and that color is applying, or that effects is applying on your text here. So let's say I'm happy with this, and now you can also control the outline of the text. So click here, and let's say I don't want to make any outline, so make it 0, and see there is no outline. But if I want to make some outline, so see the outline is here, and I want to make or increase the outline, so it is here, and to decrease a little, so this is here. So once everything is done, you can just click here to add the glitter text in your canvas. So now delete the background. So this is it, and now this glitter text has been converted into an image version. So you can add, let's say, shadow from here. Let's say I want to add drop shadow, so you can add it from here. You can add glow, you can add outline, you can add curve shadow, you can add page lift, you can add angles, you can add backdrop. So there are different types of shadow available for you. You can apply as per your demand. So this time, let's say I am happy with this. So now make it or position it in your design where you want to keep it or where you want to position it in your design. Once everything is done, just click here, the share button, and click the download button and download the glitter text or your design as a PNG or as other format JPG or PDF standard as per your requirement. So this way you can make glitter text in Canva. So now check your design. This is the design I made in front of you. So that's it. In this video I have shown you how to make glitter text in Canva. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question or if you have any suggestion to make videos, please suggest me in the comment section. I'll read and reply your comment. Thank you so much for watching this video.